Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix QR code not working on iPhone. If you have an iPhone and you want to scan a QR code but QR code is not working on your iPhone, so you just have to follow some steps. You just have to open your phone settings and here go to general. In general, just scroll down and look for language and region. Tap on it. In this, you have a setting which is live text. You have to enable it. As you can see, I have already enabled it. So after enabling this, just go back, go to main settings, and then look for camera. Here's the camera. Tap on it, and here you have a setting which is scan QR code. Just enable it, and after doing this, just go back, open camera, and now put the QR code in front of your camera, and now you will be able to scan the QR code. But if this is not working, so you have another step, which is to use control panel. Just scroll down your control panel and here you have a QR code option, and if you won't found it here, so just tap on plus icon, then tap add a control, and here you have to look for scan code. Tap on it, and you can see I have added a QR code option, so just tap on empty place, tap on it, and it's a built-in function of iPhone to scan a QR code. You can use flashlight from here, and if you can't scan QR code by this way, so you have the last option, which is make a force restart of your phone. So let's see how will you do it. And now I am going to make a force restart of my phone. For this, you have a step. First, you have to quickly press and release the volume up button and then volume down button, and after that press and hold the power button. So let's do it. First volume up, then volume down, and then power button, and after that you have to slide it to turn off your phone. As you can see, I have turned off my phone. Thus put it here, and after that you have to press and hold the power button to turn on your phone. As you can see, I am going to turn on my phone, and now your problem has been fixed, and now you can easily use this QR code scanner on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.